This video will show you how to download, install, and activate the standalone PowerPack for Advanced Steel 2023. To download the software, go to graitec.ca and log in with your credentials. There are many options that you can explore. Expand the flyouts. Check out the welcome. Let's go to downloads. So here you have filters based on the selected product. I'll choose PowerPack for Advanced Steel. And the version 2023. The screen jumps a bit, but don't worry about it. So here we're going to select the downloads. You have the option to open, but we will select downloads, where you'll find the executable in the downloads folder. All right, click on it and run as administrator. This will start the installation. On the install window, you'll see you have a couple of options. You have the options to change the language of the installation. Below that, you can download all products now for later installation, and also you can download Network License Manager, but for the first time installing, you were going to choose Install, perform a standard installation on this workstation. Remember to read the license agreement carefully, hit I accept, and then install. So we're just finishing step 2 of the installation. So to save time, I'm just going to jump ahead until the install is complete. Hit the exit when done, and now we're ready for step 3, which is activating the PowerPack. Start a new session of Advanced Steel, and you will see the PowerPack ribbon. Now to the right of that, you're going to see a light bulb. Just expand the flyout and scroll down to the license utility. The dialog is displayed where you have a couple of options. You can return a license, a previous license, in order to run the most recent. You can borrow a license, and here you have more information. You can select that link, and just below that you can select this box to find out more information about the license. For now, we'll hit next. You can activate a license and punch in your serial number and activation code. This you will receive in an email from Graitec. Let's hit next to display the online activation page, where you will input your serial number and the activation code you received from Graitec. After hitting the next key, you will receive a message that you have successfully activated your Graitec PowerPack for Advanced Steel 2023. The last thing we'll look at is the resources available to you, and that's accessed from the Learn. Let's drag that over. You have some videos, many videos that you have access to, as well as FAQ, news documentation, knowledge base, and the social world. The Social Hub tab contains blogs and videos that have the latest editions of Graitec products. So this is an overview of downloading, installing, and activating a standalone Graitec PowerPack for Advanced Steel 2023. I hope this helped. Thanks for your time, and thanks for watching.